The more and more I see the big concerning thing that founders, beginners in the startup industry, they don't speak with their customers. They don't understand who their customers. And it's a difficult job. It's something that has to be done. Not a lot of people are doing that. Before large language model era, it was difficult to find motivation and difficult to interpret the feedback of the customers, and it was terrible in the most of the companies. We are not talking about some YC-based companies. We are talking about average company that is trying to reach their user base goals at the first year or first 3 years. And with the appearance of the LLM, people just skip these discussions with the customers at all, completely. There's no communication whatsoever. And what happens in development team is that now we iterate more. The pace of development was increased. The amount of work we can produce is higher. The founders, they do not do their job. They don't speak with the customer. And we just come up with certain ideas that we want to implement. And we just make a decision and priority on the implementation based on the complexity of development. And we end up in the feature that we iterate multiple times. So instead of making the communication with the customer and implement it for, let's say, 1 week, we spent 3 weeks implementing it and redoing it multiple times until it hits the user base, and then user can provide the feedback. And usually user just complain about the feature that is not working right. So in order to prevent that, we just have to do a step back and understand that the autocomplete cannot generate features for us. The autocomplete cannot bring benefits to our customers. We want to get the idea of what is the pain of the user by speaking to that user, by talking to them. So have a great rest of the day. Talk to you soon.